Imagine waiting an hour to recover even a small virtual machine or an email. Believe it or not, many of your customers experience this every day because they use slow backup software which limits their recovery and data migration options. Companies can have power surges, floods in server rooms, ransomware infections, and many other interruptions to IT service. How would your customers cope with many physical workstations or servers becoming unavailable at once? How quickly would they be able to recover and be up and running effectively? Days, weeks, months? How often do your customers miss their recovery SLAs, and what damage could this do to their business? How do your customers verify that backups are not incomplete or contaminated by malicious viruses before safely restoring them? Veeam can help restore multiple backups simultaneously and safely, minimizing downtime for large recovery or migration operations. Your customers can successfully meet RTOs for any data, application, or location with up to 5 times the recovery speed. Find out more about how you can help your customers to boost restore success and speed. Visit the Pro Partner portal or contact Veeam direct today.